are 5 hours and 40 minutes remaining in our church. So we stopped at Cordoba. Sergio finished eating. I have not. But we're going to keep moving, so I brought my food with me. So that we can keep moving, like I just said. So we're heading to Denver once again.
Leaving Hayes.
Yeah. There's a cute little town called Hayes. It's actually, it looks like it's very, like, it's like coming up a little bit. We are about to hit the Colorado-Kansas line. So I want to record Google saying that. Just take a picture. Oh, they did! Good sense.
Welcome to Colorado.
So here it says right on the bed, right on the frame, it says extra cleaning and disinfection of top areas in your guest room. Lights, lamps, switches, electronic handles, bathroom surfaces, climate control, you know, telephones, clocks, food, beverage, iron, safe, bathroom endings, bed and butt, and it says it's with a Lysol protection. Yeah, your girl got her own Lysol protection. Yeah. Cause, yeah.
Oh, that's the Central Market I told you. It's like that's like our East End Market over in Winter Park. Okay, so definitely like this area a little bit more. Sort of a little bit more.
Definitely like Wynwood Walls in Miami.
Yeah.
This is some crazy ass.
This is weird, dude. This is weird. Definitely takes you out of your element. That's for damn sure. An alleyway, I wouldn't walk down. Sharon's like, all right, let's go.
I mean, I'm not that comfortable either, but I had to go down the alleyway on the post.
Right.
Some of these drawings aren't my kind of drawings.
It's street art.
Yeah.
It's a people's culture. You don't look impressed.
Alright.
You can turn around if you want. I don't care.
Oh no, maybe this is like that. Alright, let's go this way. Okay. Where all the library stuff's at.
Yeah. And hay más gente.
Yeah, that too.
Yeah.
Where there's more people? Yeah.
Maybe down the middle of the street when we cross it.
Oh, you want to go that way?
Yeah. I don't know what you were thinking about going down that alleyway like that. Let's just stick to the main street. So we're gonna get some ice cream from High Point Creamery. There's that alleyway. So we decided not to get ice cream because there wasn't any vegan options.
Well, Well, there
was.
It looked like there was. It looked like there was, but
Due to COVID, there's no samples, and she likes to make sure she likes something before she buys it. That's a good picture. That's pretty cool. Very comfortable weather. I'm walking around in jeans and it's not really breaking a sweat. But having a good time. Having a good time. Yeah. Definitely glad we came. Made the drive.
Patagonia.
Oh look, there's more murals over here. Now we're gonna go see the Patagonia store.
Well, see if it's open.
See if it's open. It says we're open.
Well, open as in like they're back open, but doesn't mean they're open at this current hour.
Yeah, let's see what's up. I don't know if we mentioned, but like it's like 2 hours back in, like we're 2 hours back from like Florida time. It's like,
Yeah, they're closed.
oh, they're closed.
Sunday through Saturday.
It's 2 hours, Sunday through Saturday. You said they're closed?
Yeah, 11 to 5. It's
We're
fine.
gonna check out this place. I'm gonna get this one that was smothered in cheese. We'll do the window. And we got a view of downtown from here. It's kind of raining a little bit. So probably after this, we're gonna walk to the car in the rain. It was pretty good, not too bad. Now we're walking back to the car. It's like 9:30.
Sprinkling.
It's sprinkling. We don't need this.
It's 9:30. Oh, well, I want it. Anyways, it's 9:30 local time,
Local time.
which is like
11:30.
11:30 back home.
So you can imagine we're kind of tired. We're ready to go home.
Yeah. I mean,
We're back to the hotel. We're going back to the hotel.
Yeah.
And we gotta go explore. It's 7 in the morning. 7. Oh. Come on, let's go. Gotta go. Come on.
I'm tired.
This is how I get her up. All right. Let's get going. You're still in your 20s. Let's go live. Come on. Let's go.
I need rest.
Psh, you can sleep in the car. Come on.
No.
Come on. Let's go.
Oh! On our way to a place called Denver Biscuit Company. And apparently it's really good. A friend recommended it to us, but also I saw it on some blog posts that I found online. And it looked really good, so we're gonna try it.
Beautiful city.
Turn right onto 17th Street.
Really enjoyed walking around last night.
So it's 8 o'clock right now. Back home it's 10. I have it still in my car. We're gonna grab breakfast.
In half a mile, slide right onto North Broadway.
This would make a good shot.
Get your camera out.
So we got here right now, and we are at Biscuit Company, Denver Biscuit Company. It's right out there, but it looks like it's like a place that has like multiple like little restaurant kind of thingies in it. It also has like a pizza place.
Can we bring the backpack?
And so we're gonna go check it out. Yes.
Oh, it's got multiple places. Oh, okay. Oh, I gotta go. Hi. Yes. Alright, so we just got our food. So they have like a digital menu where you have to like take a picture and log in, and well, not log in, but take a picture of like this QR code. But like I got this one called the Franklin. And then which one was yours, baby? The Ellsworth.
It's like fried chicken and honey and a pickle.
Local Colorado honey. So she's gonna be immune to all the allergens for the local population. All right.
We're closer to the mountains. We're 9 minutes away from our destination.
Garden of the Gods.
Our destination.